Our first thought is to do the editing in the phone app, but as you can see by the steps that are taking place on screen at the moment, this is not going to be possible. By the time you get to this step, there is no option for you to do the editing, even when you select more. Some advice is to delete your contact out of your phone app, and then they tell you to go back into the phone app and add your contact again, which doesn't really make sense. So what if I told you there is another way? So we're going to go into the Contacts app and not even touch the phone app. We're going to locate the contact that needs editing, tap on that. Down bottom left is your option to edit, and this area is editable, so you can update the name of your contact. You can even update the phone number, and some contacts have a field option for an address, so you can update the address as well, and you then save. So let's go back into the phone app just to confirm that changing in the Contacts app does update your phone app. Thank you for watching.